when I do my hair the next day, I'm like, oh wow, this side of my hair feels really great. The rest of it looks like garbage, but this is amazing. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, in today's video that I have for you. It is day 7 of January 2018. Yes, we are coming to the end of our first box week of 2018. So really quick, if you have no idea who I am, this lady with the cat ears, what's going on here. First of all, none of us have any idea what's going on here, so you're not alone. Awesome. But secondly, box week is actually really cool. It is the best week every single month on my YouTube channel. It's the 1 week that me and my subscribers, the Just Like Drew crew, spend every single day together for 1 week straight. Yes, for 1 week we have 7 consecutive videos every single day. We open up my subscription boxes together, we hang out, we comment back and forth, we make friends in the Just Like Drew crew, and it's really fun. So tonight on the agenda for opening is a box that has been kind of iffy on this channel recently. It's been one of those boxes that, like, it's hit or miss. Either it's like thebomb.com or it's like why? And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm talking about Sephora Play. Sephora Play is a monthly subscription that Sephora Beauty started last year. Actually a little over a year ago, I think it is. It is a $10 a month subscription. Basically, it's like products that are like Sephora, obviously sold products they send you. Sometimes you get really cool stuff, and other months it's like basically things you get as like gifts with purchase if you're already shopping at Sephora. So you're like, I literally just like threw away $10. So we are going to get into it. I have my man, Mr. John Wayne here tonight, my handy dandy pocket knife, and we are going to be opening up the box and see what is in there. So, all right. Inside, they always have a little booklet on the top. This booklet is kind of what tells you about how to use all of your products. It has always like a little theme to it. And there's always a little card on the top. This card is really awesome. You take that to Sephora when you make a purchase during the month, and you get 50 bonus points to use like for Beauty Insider Reward points. So basically like the points you can use to buy like free products and all that. Cha-ching, that's what that's for. So, all right, this is the bag. They have a new bag every year. It says 2018 Happy You Year. First of all, that little girl's real cute. I like that she's wearing a little crown on there. The bags, I mean, for Sephora Play, they give you a little bag every month. Sometimes they're like really cute. Most of the time they're kind of like basic, like kind of like toss out bags after a little while. But I am excited to see what is in here and how they're kicking off 2018. So the first item I'm pulling out is Makeup Forever Artist Face Color Blush. And it looks like the shade B302, so let's open it up. Okay, so this is a blush tone. That's really light. So the other thing with Sephora Play, it used to be that everybody got like basically the same things every month with a few differentiations, and now they've started to branch out more to be more similar to like an Ipsy, where they curate them more specific to your profile. It's still a lot of similar products, but they do have more. Okay, so that's the blush. Not really much to it. It's really light. I guess I would have to be on like a really like light makeup day, which is, you know me, you probably know I don't do a lot of those, so this isn't really something I say I can get a lot of use out of, but this is something I feel like maybe Helicopter Mom could use. I don't know, I'll have to ask her and see. All right, the next item I'm pulling out, ooh, Anastasia Beverly Hills Kristen Lip Gloss. Okay, y'all, Anastasia Beverly Hills, people always say, what is the best lip gloss out there on the market? I always tell them Anastasia Beverly Hills is one of my absolute favorites. First of all, for pigment, it has a really nice scent to it, wearability, flexibility, comfort. So I'm actually really happy that they're giving out an Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss. These are one of my favorite brands lip gloss. Oh, and that color, girl, look at that color. That was so unexpected. I like that tone. It's like really pretty. It's like the deep like mauve-y rose tone. I really like that a lot. Beautiful. So this is definitely making a comeback for the bag. At first I was like that blush. I was like, but now I'm okay. I'm feeling a little better now. All right, next item. I'm trying to feel in here. There's supposed to be like a fragrance sample every single month. So I'm trying to find that and just kind of get that out of the way because I'm not a fragrance person. So I'm like, if I can get the fragrance out of the way, we can have some fun with the rest of this. All right, next item I'm pulling out is Gloss Modern Clean Luxury Mask. Okay, so I don't know, is this a hair mask or if this is, yeah, so this is a hair mask. Okay, for real, this is really small. Like, I'm just gonna be real here. I don't even know if this will cover like this one little quadrant of my head. This is, who is this for? I mean, seriously, like, this is a hair mask. Like, what am I supposed to do with this? Am I supposed to just like put it on a few strands and just hope for the best? And then when I do my hair the next day, I'm like, oh wow, this side of my hair feels really great. The rest of it looks like garbage, but this is amazing. I'm gonna buy this product. Come on. Like, this is something that every single subscription gets on my nerves about. Don't be cheap with conditioner. Don't be cheap with hair mask. I mean, seriously, I understand this might be an expensive product. Then pick a product that's less expensive to give people to try. I mean, seriously, I'm sorry, but come on. This is a little bit bogus. Nobody has enough hair for this. Like, I'm not even talking about the fact that my hair is ethnic because I'm half black. I'm talking about the fact that, like, some women just with long hair, that's not gonna do anything. Like, it's literally people with, like, pixie cuts, which I mean, those are cute, but who is that gonna work for? Come on. Okay, next item I'm pulling out is Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. Okay, so I believe we've gotten some of the Pep Start items from Clinique before. I definitely have liked them, so I'm gonna put a little bit in the back of my hand just to feel it. It doesn't really have much of a scent to it. I like the way that it kind of rubbed in. It's a little bit like glossy though. Like, I don't know if I want to put on an eye cream that kind of has like a glossy feel to it. Just my personal thing. I don't know. I feel like that's a little bit like, you know, whatever. All right, next item we have, Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. Okay, so for whatever reason this month we are getting cleansers nonstop, which is kind of funny because after I made the whole big stink about getting cleansers constantly. But when it is Glam Glow, I am not even mad about it. Glam Glow is one of the best skincare products on the market right now. So I actually think it's really awesome they gave out that product in the Sephora bag. All right, I'm reaching in here, and this is my last item. It is Boscia Exfoliating Peel Gel. Okay, so this is like a peel gel, I'm guessing, for like your face. That's really awesome. Also, kind of weird, I didn't get a fragrance sample. So if you get Sephora Play, real quick, comment below and tell me if you got a fragrance sample this month. I wonder if that's a new thing. They're going away with fragrance samples, and maybe that's what the hair mask is in place of. Because I still got like 5 items, and then I got this little hair mask here. So maybe that's what they're doing instead of doing fragrances, is that. Because maybe they like were watching my video and they're like, girl, we're sick of you complaining about how much you like fragrances. We get it. Okay, now they were like, we want to hear you complain about how much conditioner we didn't give you. And I'm like, perfect. Okay, so really quick, I'm going to recap this box, which I'm going to say, before I recap it, I'm happy with this. Like, I came into this like feeling a little bit like harsh because like the last couple months it's been kind of like meh. But I will say I feel like these products are good. I feel like I did get a value this month. It definitely wasn't what I expected, but I'm okay with them. So to recap it, we got the Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream, which is right there. We got the Boscia Exfoliating Peel Gel, which I'm a little concerned about because I've heard mixed reviews on Boscia, but I'm kind of excited to use it. The Kristen Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Gloss, which is right there, which I am so stinking excited about that. Like, more than anything, I think I'm most excited about that. The Glam Glow Super Cleanse face cleaning product, which I'm actually excited to try that too, just because you guys know since losing weight, my skin's been really like just kind of iffy, so I'm excited to use something that deep cleans to see if maybe I can find a product that really helps like clear my skin up as I'm dealing with like all the hormonal changes I've been going through. And the little Gloss Modern Clean Luxury Hair Mask, which I'm just like a little bit whatever. Oh, I'm sorry, never mind, I forgot. Also, we got the Make Up Forever Artist Couture Blush. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then with the conditioner, 6 items. Overall, like I said, I like it. I do think it's good. I think this is solid. And the other cool thing is I'm getting products that I really haven't tried before. A big pet peeve of mine is when I get products that I've already tried a bunch of times over, and this is new stuff. So I'm happy with it. I'm good. I will stay subscribed to Sephora Play. But that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way it is down below, which also that's where you can see like my weight loss transformation photos and all that is on Instagram. And like my gym pics are on Snapchat. I just want to mention that. Guy, people ask me. So check me out on those avenues. If you're like, hey, I want to see more of that, check me out over there. If you want to be a part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, make sure you click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew around, because everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow because we actually have a bonus Target beauty box. All right, I'm excited. Talk to you soon. Love you. Bye. Goodbye. Bye. Ever gotten in an Allure beauty box? Also, that was a lot that came out of there. I'm a little upset actually. I'm putting some on my neck right now because I don't want to waste this cream. I'm putting it on my neck. Don't judge me, or do. I don't really care.